Alright people, welcome back. So we've got everything done for the 240. We've got that thing slimmed back together. I think at this point we're pretty much good to go. So I'm gonna try something new here. I've never done the point of view cam here, so I'm gonna put you on my chest and we're gonna go for a test drive. So yeah, you'll be right there with us as we get into it, and we're gonna take this thing out for a spin-a-rooney dinny, so you get to see firsthand kind of what it looks like to drive this thing. So yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna switch you around here. Don't mind my backyard. All right, let's get to it. So yeah, she's all dialed. I had to open the door because it was scorching in there. So yeah, good to rock and roll. We'll fire it up, make sure there's not any weirdness. Sometimes this thing likes to leak. It sits around a lot, so make sure there isn't anything funky with it. So yeah, but here it is, interior. Wow. My wiper blades. Yeah, she does that sometimes. Shut it off and make sure we didn't get a funky start. Got a miss. I wonder if I've got a bad coil pack. Hopefully we don't have a bad coil in there. Come on, baby. There he goes. Yeah, I've got a it's got a Nissan Quest alternator. It's 110 amps, so sometimes it gets a little angry. It doesn't get driven enough as it should, so sometimes it'll get kind of angry, but yeah, seems like it's good. It's got a Nissan Skyline cluster in it, R33 cluster in it, which sometimes is on the fritz and it does not want to work. It's being a butthead, so hopefully we'll get our get this bad boy up and running. Get my cluster going. It seems fine though. It seems good. It's a little angry. It gets kind of angry when it sits for a while. Sounds good though. These wipers out of the way. My wiper delay box died a while back and I have not been able to find a new one. Yeah, it's running good. Just gonna make sure we don't have any leaky lookies or anything funky going on. Last thing I want to do is go for a drive and have a fuel leak happen. That would be not fun. Not want to watch my car burn down. Good on that, but it sounds good. Sounds solid. Maybe I spoke too soon. I have a sticky injector, but it seems like I have a slight miss. Interesting. Is that fuel related or what? I don't know, a boost leak or something. Interesting. There we go, idle down. Yeah, seems like it's got a miss. Interesting. Did not have that before. A little butthurt about that. I got a sticky injector. I'm getting low on fuel. No, we got a good amount of fuel. Those coil packs are cheesy or what? Dang. Well, that's disappointing. I don't know if you can hear that. Beating a damn drum. Really though. Huh. What is going on? Bad igniter tube or what? Oh man. Huh, that's different. Interesting. That definitely actually ran better before, it seems like. This would be only at idle too, that's weird. Interesting. That is unusual. Could be intermittent too. Take it for a spin, run it in here real quick. Make sure it's not just being funky because it's been sitting for a bit. But it definitely seems like it's just messing up a storm. Well, we'll go see. Bad plug or something. They're not spraying my cars with shit. It's still doing it. Huh. So I wonder if we got a bad igniter chip. That is unfortunate. I guess the misfire diagnosis continues. We'll go around the block, but it's definitely still missing. Huh. Wonder if maybe I've got a bad plug or a fouled plug. I guess I'll have to take and pull the plugs. I guess you'll be there for that. Man, that's interesting. Oh well, you know, c'est la vie. Such is life. Interesting. Seems fine now. Well, yeah, see, as soon as we get on the boost, you can hear it. Brrrr, like, sounds like it's firing away. Brrrr, brrrr. I wonder if I... Man, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of research on that. Yep, no, dead miss on boost still. Huh. Weird. Well, that is disappointing. I'm not gonna say it's not. That is frustrating, huh? It's fine until boom, as soon as you get on boost, nothing, just yep, falling flat on its face. Man, that's a biscuit right there. I wonder if, yeah, man, hard to say. I fouled my O2. Man, that's a toughie. Well, shit. Hard to say. I guess we shall pull it into the garage this time. It's fine and idle now. Huh. Man, that is bizarre. Not sure what would cause it to do that. Well, I guess we shall find out in the conclusion of this video. So, it looks like this video series is gonna continue, so join us back for the next round as I guess we continue this diagnosis on this random freaking misfire on this thing. Very weird, and it's idling fine now. No misfire, but as you heard, I don't know if you heard that, it bow as soon as we get on to boost. Ay. Alright, well, yeah. Stay tuned, join us again. Remember, if you like this video, smash that like button and hit subscribe. Join us again, we'll be back at it. So, we'll get this thing running, take it to some cars and coffees. Man, what the heck? No boost for us. Alright, until next time. Alright, welcome back to the Ram Project. Thanks for joining me again.